Hello, in this video we'll go over the assignment in Unit 3, Activity 4. And to start with, in this activity, in the content, you would have completed the book. You would have read chapters 9 and 10, which are the last two chapters. And that is my main focus in this activity, is to make sure that you do finish off the reading of the book. There will be one small assignment, or one straightforward, hopefully, assignment, a portfolio entry in this activity. We will do a review of the book and look at a major culminating activity in Activity 5. So there is one more major assignment coming up in this unit. But for this week, let's take a look at the portfolio entry that I'd like you to complete. So as hopefully you're aware of, we've been doing portfolio entries throughout the semester. You should already have 3 completed portfolio entries. We actually did our third one in the previous activity, in Unit 3, Activity 3. And in this activity, I'm going to ask you to complete your 4th portfolio entry. And so our question is right here, and it goes like this. On Animal Farm, the animals unsuccessfully attempt to establish equality for all of the animals. As a democratic socialist, and that's something we talked about in the content, George Orwell was a believer in democracy, and he was a believer in socialism. He believed that society should provide people with freedom and equal rights, and that society should work together and provide equality as best they can for everyone. And so that was his belief. And his belief, of course, is in Animal Farm, they did it wrong. They tried to establish equality, and they failed. In the end, hopefully you finish the book. It doesn't work out the way that Orwell would have liked it to work out, right? So as I say here, as a democratic socialist, George Orwell likes the concept of equality, but not the way the animals went about trying to achieve it. So I'd like to know your opinion. Fully explain your opinion on the concept of equality. Do you think equality is possible in the real world? Would an equal society be a good society? Is this something that we should be working towards? Is equality for people a good goal for society? And even if it is it something that society can ever actually accomplish? Is it something that you believe is possible in the real world? And I'd like you to explain why or why not. I'm asking for your opinion and your ideas. You can agree or disagree. You can have whatever opinion you like. The idea is just to back it up with specific examples from the real world and from Animal Farm. Your response, as always, with all the portfolio entries, should be at least 10 sentences. And aside from quotations from the book, and you don't have to put quotations from the book, but you do have to put examples from the book. But aside from quotations, if you use them, the portfolio should be written entirely in your own words and with your own ideas. The portfolio entries is your chance to give me your own personal opinions. So that's what I'm looking for here. As a reminder, you should have all of your portfolio entries saved in one document, whether that's a Microsoft Word document or whether that's a Google Doc. You're not going to submit your portfolio entry right now. You're going to save it together with the others, and you'll submit them all together at the ending of the semester in Unit 5. If you have any questions about this portfolio entry, please let me know.